Catherine II, though history remembers me as Catherine the Great. I was not born. Russia and I entered this world in 1729 as Sophia von Holzhurst, a German princess with no claim to the Russian throne. But fate has a way of shaping those who dare to seize it. My marriage to Grand Duke Peter, the heir to the Russian Empire, set my course. But I was never content to remain in his shadow. I did not come to Russia to be a submissive wife. I came to rule. My husband, now Emperor Peter III, was weak, erratic, and dangerously out of touch with the people. He admired Frederick the Great of Prussia, our nation's enemy, and alienated the Russian nobility and military. I knew Russia deserved better. In 1762, with the backing of the Imperial Guard and key political allies, I led a coup d'etat against my own husband. He was swiftly deposed, and within days, he was dead, though the exact circumstances remained shrouded in mystery. With Russia's blessing, I ascended the throne, not by birthright, but by my own determination, intelligence, and sheer will. Once in power, I set out to transform Russia into a true European empire. I modernized the government, streamlined administration, and strengthened the economy. Inspired by the Enlightenment, I corresponded with great philosophers like Voltaire and Diderot, dreaming of making Russia as cultured and sophisticated as France. Under my reign, the arts, education, and science flourish. I founded the Smolny Institute, the first educational institution for girls in Russia, and pushed for legal reforms to create a more just society. But I was not just a reformer, I was a conqueror. My armies crushed the Ottoman Empire, securing Crimea and giving Russia access to the Black Sea. I expanded Russian rule deep into Poland, orchestrating its partitions alongside Prussia and Austria. By the end of my reign, my empire stretched farther than ever before, from the Baltic to the Black Sea and beyond. Russia was no longer just a northern power, it was an empire to be reckoned with. I ruled for 34 years, longer than any woman in Russian history. My personal life was filled with passion and scandal. My lovers may have changed, but my love for Russia never wavered. When the first died in 1796, I left behind a nation stronger, wealthier, and more powerful than ever before. They called me a foreigner, an outsider, but I became Russia's greatest ruler. I was Catherine the Great, the woman who rebuilt an empire and reshaped history.